If you're looking for dogs beds by Petmaker, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Dogs Beds by Petmaker. Number 1, by Petmaker. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Petmaker. Number 3. For more details about these dogs beds products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Petmaker. Find these dogs beds by Petmaker at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dogs beds by Petmaker ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.